Model, 63-plate Ford Transit 260 short wheelbase, HOGH top 2.2 TDCi spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 106,674. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCi-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect but the coolant is pressurizing, head gasket needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.